Question number 101. In given plants, the primary taproot is modified to store food, except the primary taproot is modified to store the food in radish, beet and carrot. What about the sweet potato? Sweet potato is also a modified root, but it is adventitious root, not the taproot. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 102. Tendrils of pea differ from cucumber as the former. It means pea and the cucumber both have tendrils. What are these tendrils? They are very coiled and sensitive structures. They coil around the nearby support and they help the plant in climbing. So option number 1, 3 and 4 are the common features of the tendrils. So these features are true for both tendrils of pea as well as tendril of cucumber. What is the basic difference? Tendrils in the pea, they are modified leaves. What about the cucumber? Tendrils in cucumber, they are modified axillary buds, or they arise from axillary buds. So tendrils of pea differ from cucumber as the former are modified leaves. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 103. Choose the incorrect difference between dicot root and dicot stem. Dicot roots. First option, vascular bundles are radial in dicot roots. Yes, it is true. R for roots, R for radial. You can remember this way. So in roots, the vascular bundles are radial. In dicot stems, the vascular bundles are conjoined. It is true. Now third option, endodermal cells have Casparian strips in dicot roots. It is true. Endodermal cells may store the starch grains in the dicot stem, hence called the starch sheath. It is also true. Fourth one, pith is small and inconspicuous. It is true. Pith is made up of parenchymatous cells. It is also true. Now see the second option, vascular cambium is primary in origin. In dicot root, the vascular cambium is completely secondary in origin. So this is incorrect difference between dicot root and dicot stem, because in stem it is written that the vascular cambium is completely secondary in origin. Instead, it is partly primary and partly secondary in origin. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 104. Flaccidity of bulliform cells. What are bulliform cells? Bulliform cells are large, empty, colorless cells. They are modified adaxial epidermal cells found in grasses. Some cells of the upper epidermis of the leaf of the grasses modify to form the bulliform cells. These bulliform cells make the grass leaves curl inwards during the drought conditions and prevent the grasses from the water stress. So they make the stomata close? No. They maximize the water loss? No. They minimize the water loss. They shrink the substomatal cavity? No. They make the grass leaves curl inwards during the drought? It is correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Question number 105. Which one is wrongly matched? First option, winged pollen grains, Pinus. Yes, Pinus, it's a gymnospermic plant and it has winged pollen grains. It is true. Monoecious plant Pinus. It is also true that Pinus is a monoecious plant, which means both the sex organs are present on the same plant. Salvinia, it's a heterosporous pteridophyte. It is also true. Fourth one, uniflagellated gametes Polysiphonia. Polysiphonia is a red alga, hence it lacks motile stages. There are no flagella in the gametes. So this is incorrectly matched. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question.